Hello, my people, hope you're doing well. Actually, we're going to explore the concept of backtesting. Backtesting is actually going through the past data from the markets, or you can look on the charts and try to see how your strategy played out on those particular previous days. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to do backtesting for a particular strategy. As we already demonstrated our strategy, so we are going to look on how we can do backtesting using this strategy, the ChatGPT strategy I just showed you. Enjoy the show and stay blessed. All right, my people, as you can see, we are currently on the charts, and based on our strategy, one thing you should remember is at first we look for bullish engulfing. So bullish engulfing is when this selling candlestick is smaller than the buying candlestick. The buying candlestick, as you can see, is bigger. So this is bullish engulfing. When it forms, we look for moving averages. These two moving averages, they have to close the bullish engulfing. And as you can see in this region earlier, the moving averages close the bullish engulfing. After it closes the bullish engulfing, the close of the bullish engulfing, which was this area here, from the opening of this next candle, we take a buy. So we are supposed to take a buy from this region area here and go all the way up. And our stop loss, we put it just below the bullish engulfing, which is in this region here. And at around this area here, we are supposed to put a stop loss. So as you can see, the market from here went all the way up, it went up, and stop loss was here at this area, and the market didn't touch the stop loss. So as we know, we only close when we get at least 1:1. All the moving averages, the red one and blue one, crosses against each other. So when did it close? After we got a buy signal, let's go. As we go forward, we just see it just closed on this region here. So from this region, we are now supposed to close our take profit. But as you can see, from this area here to this is almost 1:2. So the trade was good. Apart from that, we can go all the way back again and try to look on different scenarios where we add a setup from this strategy. Apart from that, we can see also this region here that let's choose another pair, another setup. Apart from that, you can see this area here that we had a bullish engulfing. This bearish candlestick is smaller than bullish candlestick, and the moving averages cross the bullish engulfing. After crossing the bullish engulfing from this region here, we are supposed to take a buy or going all the way up, and stop loss just below this bearish engulfing. So take profit was supposed to be taken when these two moving averages, the blue moving average and the red moving average, crosses each other. So we go all the way until this area here where they crossed each other. So from this area, we were supposed to take profit. But as I told you guys, you can only take this trades 1:1 all above. Whenever you see 1:1 and above, you can just close and enjoy your profits. So let's find a selling opportunity based on this strategy. Right, going back, finding a bearish engulfing candlestick, and when we had a bearish trade. As you can see, this area here, around this area, we had a buying or bullish candlestick, and around this area here, we had a bearish candlestick. And a bearish candlestick is bigger than a bullish candlestick. That means that from the close of this bearish candlestick, this candlestick and this candlestick forms the bearish engulfing. After we had the bearish engulfing, from this area, we are supposed to sell and go all the way down. And our stop loss are supposed to stay around this area here. Apart from that, you can also see for this candlestick above, here we had a bullish candlestick and this bearish candlestick. And a bearish candlestick is bigger than a bullish candlestick. Also, this area here it makes a bearish engulfing candlestick. So after bearish engulfing candlestick from this area where the new candlestick opened, we could sell and go the way down, and our stop loss could be slightly above our bearish engulfing. And whenever we get 1:1, we can close, or when you get 1:2, we can also close, but our take profit will have to wait for these two moving averages, the blue moving average and the red moving average, to close each other. So as we go, we see it ended up closing on this region here. So in this region was supposed to be our take profit. So as you can see, guys, the strategy works in different areas. You can try to change a time frame, maybe put 4 hours. You'll see it working. You can use 15 minutes. You will see it working. You can use any kind of time frame and you will see the strategy working. Like in 15 minutes, we have just opened. This one is a bullish engulfing. As you can see, bearish candlestick is smaller than bullish candlestick. From here, we took a buy, went all the way up, and our stop loss was right down here. So this trade, we could also make profits. That's how we do back testing. And I advise you guys to go and do a lot of back testing because it will help you to understand the strategy personally. So whenever you meet that kind of opportunity during the little market scenario, you can take an opportunity and you won't fear to take a position. So I advise you to do a lot of backtesting on a strategy so as you can easily understand it and have that personal touch with the strategy. Remember, you can never buy experience. Experience is obtained by doing the work, and no one can do that work but you. So put on the work and do a lot of back testing. It will help you improve your understanding on a strategy, and you'll be a better trader based on a particular strategy you're working on. That's it, guys. Stay blessed and signing out.